I don't think you intended to hurt me, at least not in the beginning. But once it started, I don't think you felt that bad about it either. I've gone over all the options, and that's the one that makes the most sense to me. You see, it's one of three. One, you didn't know what you were doing, but that doesn't work because I told you, so that leads me to two. You knew what you were doing, intentionally or not, but you did nothing to fix it, and there could only be one rational reason why you wouldn't, which is three. You didn't feel bad about it. You knew what you were doing because I told you, but nothing changed because you didn't care enough. Or maybe part of you enjoyed it, but I still won't allow myself to really believe that. I'm not saying you didn't feel bad at all, just not enough. You apologized and made empty promises and temporary changes, and I do think those were mostly genuine attempts. But the will to actually change wasn't inside you, and I believe you realized that rather fast. That was the problem. You realized you weren't going to change, and you should have felt bad enough about hurting me to let me go. But you didn't. So here we are.